Assalamualaikum, mapipiyagan daw. I just want to reach Oxen Films and say thank you sa ginawa nilang Sky Valley series. Why? Kasi um, hindi naman talaga ako totally BL fan. Pero since I have been seeing it on YouTube, pina-follow ko na siya, hindi na ako makatulog. I think maganda siya, and hindi lang I think na maganda, it's super ganda ang pagkagawa from the director, from the writer ng script, and the actors itself na nag-act. Actually, may mga life quotes sila sa huli, and ang ganda ng song, yung Dreams Come True. Sobrang ganda, pati yung mga song na kinanta nila. And in fact, for me, na may pinagdadaanan sa buhay, ma-feel ko po talaga ang ibig sabihin or ipakita ng the main message ng video na yon. So, ganda. For the LGBTs out there, maganda siya panoorin. Kaya gusto ko pong anyayahan. I want to congratulate the cast, the director itself, kasi sobrang ganda. Actually, I've learned a lot of it. Kaya napapaiyak po ako. Always talaga umiiyak. Si may part doon na parang tago sa puso, and ang kilig sobra, super duper kilig. Anyways, it's all about love, boy to boy love and girl to girl love, na merong talagang kilig, and yung how to focus on one person, na dapat magkaroon ng closure, dapat i-close ang dating relationship if wala na, and stay focused on the present. So yun, and sometimes it's hard na mamili din if family or yung work or business. So since syempre, ano uunahin mo? And for me, relate po ako doon kasi isa din akong suwail minsan. If I will choose the family or I will choose the love of my life. Pero hindi ko naman yun pinagsisihan. The most is I have not making a closure. Yung pagkatao ni Ford, yung nagalayas siya kung may problema, it's the same with me. Gusto ko maglayas, gusto ko magtago, pero the moral lesson Sky Valley series is you don't need to disappear na magtago kahit saan. You need to prove to yourself how you can fight for life. Kasi sometimes if you don't want to fight, pag magtago ka, baka magsisisi ka sa huli. Kasi tinakasan mo yung buhay. You only need someone's love and attention for you to survive. Kaya for this last episodes, inaabagan ko po yun. We don't know if ano ang kainatnan, pero I really recommend more than 100% Sky Valley to our LGBT friends, and thank you. Yung mga life quotes na ginawa, piling-pilit talaga, and very appropriate po sa video niya, sa movie. It is a simple na pelikula na may kilig and fullness of life. So yun, napapaiyak na nga ako. So thank you Oxen Films and sa mga cast at sa director and sa scriptwriter. Very nice, hindi po magsisisi ang nakakita sa video ninyo, and it keeps on inspiring someone like members of LGBT to continue on what life is, no matter how hard, basta with love. That's all. Muchas gracias.